Anthropic just changed the game. Claude Opus 5 is officially here. It's a model that's not just smarter but more proactive. Positioned right next to the powerhouse Fable 5, Opus 5 delivers frontier intelligence at the price of Opus 4.8. Where it really shines is agency. In coding benchmarks like Frontier Bench, it's more than doubled its predecessor's performance. It even solved a free card challenge by writing its own vision pipeline to see a drawing, a feat no other model could match. From novel logic puzzles to complex Zapier automations, Opus 5 is a step up in every way. It's even pushing boundaries in life sciences. And for the first time, we're seeing advanced interactive visualizations, like this wind tunnel airflow simulation, and it does all this while being Anthropic's most aligned and safe model yet, using 33% fewer turns to get the job done. Claude Opus 5 is available right now. Head over to claude.ai and experience the next level of intelligence for yourself.